Hello everyone. In today's quick walkthrough video, we are going to automatically screenshot hyperlinks when they're added to a SharePoint list using the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector in Power Automate. This type of flow allows us to use the resulting screenshot for a variety of purposes, but in this example, we'll simply reattach it to the original list. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will start by clicking Create and selecting the Automated Cloud Flow option. We will then select the SharePoint When an Item is Created trigger action. We will now open our trigger action and select our site address and list name from each dropdown. We will need to select the same site address and list name for each SharePoint action in our flow. This flow will only have 3 quick steps. It will retrieve list information, screenshot the value entered in the hyperlink column in our list, and then attach the screenshot back to the original list item. To find our screenshot action, we will add a new action, and we will then type Cloudmersive into the search bar. We will scroll down until we find the document conversion connector with the green logo, and we will then click See More to view the actions list. From here, we will use a Control-Find search to locate the Take Screenshot of URL action, and we will select it once we find it. Before we can begin configuring our requests, we will first need to create our Cloudmersive connection if we haven't done that already. As a quick reminder, we will need a premium Power Automate license to use Cloudmersive connectors, but we can use them for free up to 800 API calls per month with a free API key. We will now click Show All to view our request parameters. At the bottom of this list, we will fulfill the input URL variable with the hyperlink column value from our SharePoint list. We can use the other variables here to set the output height and width of our screenshot, and we can also set extra loading wait time for links that may have more media assets. In most cases, the default values for these parameters should be fine. We will now add one final action into our flow. We will look for the SharePoint Add Attachment action. After we select this action and configure our list details, we will select our original list item ID, and we will then give our file a name. We can use any naming convention we like, but I will be typing screenshot and then including the hyperlink text before adding a PNG extension at the end. Finally, we will fulfill the file content variable with output content from our URL screenshot step. We will now save and test our flow to review the output. That means adding a new item to our target list and entering a sample hyperlink. I will be testing with a link to the Cloudmersive website homepage. When our flow finishes running, we will find the hyperlink screenshot attached as a file to our original list item. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about using Cloudmersive APIs to extend SharePoint list capabilities, please feel free to reach out to any member of our team.